Hello everyone. Welcome to A Commerce Launch. This is Divya. In this lesson, I am going to discuss certain questions. That is, questions that is expected for our exams. Okay. I have taken the section Test Your Understanding from the NCERT book. So the same question is discussed here. So these questions can be expected for our exams, and we have studied certain partnership theories, certain provisions regarding partnership accounts, etc. in our previous videos. So from that, how much we have studied to be studied clearly, you can test your understanding. So from your NCERT book, solution is not given there. So I am providing the solution so that you can test your understanding. Okay, so let's start the lesson. The same question is discussed here. Mohan and Shyam are partners in a firm. Okay. State whether the claim is valid if the partnership deed is silent in following matters. This is the question given. So two partners are there, and there the partnership deed is silent. In such case, first question C. Mohan is an active partner. He wants a salary of rupees 10,000 per year. Is that possible? No, because the provisions of accounting, provisions of partnership accounting prohibits payment of remuneration to partners when the partnership deed is silent. Okay, so no salary can be claimed by Mohan. Okay, clear? Next question. Shyam had advanced loan to the firm and he claims interest at 10% per annum. Is that possible? No, because Shyam can claim interest, but 10% is not possible. He can claim only 6% interest. Shyam had advanced certain money to the firm, so he can claim interest on that up to 6%. Okay, here he asks 10%. That is not possible. We can provide him 6% interest. Okay, if the partnership deed is silent, that is the provision. Third one, Mohan has contributed 20,000 rupees and Shyam 50,000 as capital. Mohan wants equal share in profits. Is that possible? Yes, because partnership deed, when it is silent, it provides that the partners can divide the profits or losses equally between them, irrespective of the capital contribution they had made. If we are providing profit depending on the capital contribution made by these partners, then Shyam can get more amount of more share in profit. But when partnership deed is silent, that is not possible. Irrespective of capital contribution, the profits is shared equally. Okay, clear? Now, Shyam wants interest on capital to be credited at 6% per annum. Shyam says he wants interest on capital. But if the partnership deed is silent, Shyam can't claim interest on capital because no interest is provided for the capital contributed. Okay. So here he can't claim interest on capital. Now the other one, that is state whether true or false. Second question, state whether true or false. First one, valid partnership can be formulated even without a written agreement between the partners. Even without a written agreement. That is, the agreement can be oral. Yes, it is possible. It is not mandatory to have a written agreement. It's not compulsory to have a partnership deed. A valid partnership can be formulated, but usually we prefer to have a partnership deed in written, written agreement, because we need to avoid disputes later. So for that, we are preparing partnership deed. Okay, but even if there is no partnership deed, valid partnership exists. No problem in that. Okay. Now, next question. Each partner carrying on the business is the principal as well as the agent for all the partners. Is that true or false? It is true, because partnership deed is a mutual agency. We have studied that in the nature of partnership, isn't it? So an agent-principal relation exists there. So this statement is true. Now third question. Maximum number of partners in a banking firm can be 20. Is that true or false? False, because except banking, all the other business can have maximum number of partners 20. But for banking, the maximum number of partners is limited to 10. Okay, so this statement is false. Now, methods of settlement of dispute among the partners can't be part of partnership deed. Is it true or false? It is false, because all disputes can be settled with the help of partnership deed, because it is a legal agreement. Okay. Now, the next question. If the partnership deed is silent, interest at the rate of 6% per annum would be charged on the drawings made by the partner. True or false? False, because no interest is charged on drawings when the partnership deed is silent. Okay. Now the last one. Interest on partner's loan is to be given at 12% per annum if the deed is silent about the rate. Is it true or false? It is false, because we can't provide 12% interest on partner's loan. The advances that is made by the partners, for that the firm will pay an interest, and it is up to 6% only. So 12% interest can't be provided. Okay. So this is the question that is given in the NCERT book. So hope this lesson is useful for you, and I am planning to upload practical problems, unsolved practical problems in the NCERT book in coming days. So hope this lesson is useful for you. If you like my lesson, please give me a thumbs up, share the lesson with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon in order to get all the new video notifications. So thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.